Hello my friend, it is I, Vadim. How are you doing? Recently, AMD has dropped the price on Ryzen 5 5600X to $300, $299 to be precise. So it is a great time to build a gaming PC using this CPU, and I decided to give you an update on my recommendation for the entire PC build, focusing on picking PC parts with value and high quality in mind. Links to all the PC parts will be down below in the description, and even though I'm showing prices in US dollars, if you click on that link down below, you will be able to check the prices in your region. So for example, for Germany, it will bring you to the German Amazon, if you are in the UK, for the UK Amazon, and so on. Before that, a quick word from the sponsor. Expensive Windows 10 license can break your budget when building a new PC. You can solve this problem by buying a much cheaper Windows 10 key from today's video sponsor, cdkoffers.com. Use code IV20 at the checkout for an additional 20% off your purchase. The key is delivered instantly. You can copy, save it, and activate your Windows 10 license right away. Link is in the description below. If you are building this PC to game at 1440p, then I recommend you having a look at Gigabyte M27Q monitor. It's a great option, just over $300, you can't beat it. We are going to build this thing in NZXT H510 case. You can't beat that value at $69 right now, that's why I'm recommending it over Fantex. By the way, this thing comes with 2 fans pre-installed, so I am recommending you get another 2 fans to install on the front. I will leave some recommendations down below. To cool that 5600X, we are going to take Arctic Freezer 34 Esports. It's a great budget-friendly option at $35 for some colors, and you can actually go for like all white or whatever for $42. I don't know why the different colors cost different money, but it's the same CPU cooler, so just get whichever one floats your boat. MSI B550 Tomahawk is all you need for gaming, no need to look at X570 chipsets. Next up is Team Group T4's Dark Z Alpha 16GB kit of DDR4 4000 MHz RAM. I have this kit and it's awesome. For fast storage, I recommend MP33 1TB SSD. This is a Gen 3 SSD. You don't really need a Gen 4 SSD at this point because you're not gonna feel any difference in like game loading times and other things. And have a look at this. This is the cheap option for the Gen 4. It's a lot more expensive than the Gen 3 option, which was under $100 for 1TB. So yeah, I'd go for the Gen 3, no worries. At the time of filming, graphics cards are still way overpriced, but if you are going to buy one right now, I recommend having a look at this RX 6700 XT Power Color Red Devil. It has a huge cooler, it will be running at low temperatures, low noise, awesome card. To feed all of those components, I recommend getting EVGA 750W bronze power supply. You can go for the gold if you want, but bronze is good enough. It comes with 5-year warranty, gold comes with either 7 or 10. I will leave a link to different options available to you down below, so you can check them out, see what you like. And if you are choosing to go with a more powerful graphics card like 6900 XT or RTX 3090, 3080, then you actually need the 850W power supply. I will link it also below. Let's have a look at the total price. It is $871, that is excluding the monitor and the graphics card. Comment below if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer as many as I can. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe for more. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.